Good day, classmates, batchmates, no? By the way, my name is Juanito Cubos, but maybe some of you knows me as Cubos, but I'm called Jing now. And for those who don't recognize me or don't remember me, ako yung pinaka-cute tsaka pinakamaliit during that time because I joined you only for 1 year, 1978-79, 4th year. But ako din yung pinakabata, no? The reason that maybe I consider myself cute kasi ako yung, sabi ko nga, pinakamaliit. I was 14 years old then when I joined you. And also maybe that what can help you remember me is I was so close. Ang close sa akin nun is also a newbie. 1 year lang din dyan is si Sotero de la Cruz. And ang kasama ko namin sa grupo that we become very close is si Richard Alihon. May God bless his soul. Also si Jojo and si Mr. Francisco, si Tony, no? Kami yung naging very close. But as far as sa mga lalaki, alam ko si Egay, si Cese, si Arnel, si Manny, magaling mag-basketball. Oh. And some more, no? Some more. Some I met, no? Hindi ko na right now I really cannot identify the name with the face, but hopefully if I see the video of everyone, no? But there's a lot of memorable experience during that 1 year, no? Yung nagsumubok manligaw si Richard kay Florence, oo, and then si Sotero kay Nico, oo, and then si Lani Idubas na Section A din, pero mas close siya sa mga boys sa Section B, oo, and then there was a mention about yung si 80, no? Diyan magaling yung Francisco College. So another thing na memorable sa akin is every time umuwi ng bahay coming from school sa hapon, hindi sasakay kundi maganda yung jeep. And one of the best jeep there, as I remember, is yung Hotel California na pula na may aircon, no? Tapos ang ganda ng sounds, no? Yung 8 something na yung cassette na malaki, no? So, and that is true every day except Friday. I can remember sila Egay Belmonte, no? Na bahala ng magabihin ng uwi, basta sasakay lang ng jeep na maganda. Except Friday. Everybody should be home by 5:30 in the evening. And you know what is that? Because of Voltes 5. So again, there's a lot of things, but siguro lang as a trivia for you, I did not go to school in Francisco College only for 1 year, but for 3 years, no? That is the first school that I ever attended. I was nursery, 4 years old, and then grade 1 there, and then we transferred, tapos bumalik ako 4th year na. So there might be somebody na classmate ko pero hindi ko na maalala because I was 4 years old as I mentioned, na dyan din na grade 1, no? Dyan din na grade 1. So maraming bagay, no? So it's really a good part of me, that school, no? And I was really saddened when I saw the picture na giniba na siya, and then may McDonald's na, no? But maganda kasi yung place niya, medyo strategic, no? So again, batchmates, I hope everyone really had a fun, festive time, no? In this reunion. Pangatlo na to ng batch yata, no? I have attended one, and looking forward to attend again. Siguro pagkatapos ng mga couple of years, all of us are about to retire, and our kids are all adult, grown up na, may kanya-kanya ng buhay. And by the time we have our own time, we can manage our own time, our responsibilities and deliverables, no, medyo lessen na. So looking forward seeing you then. But again, I hope and pray that everyone have a safe, fun, and create memories that will really last our lifetime, no? So good luck. Special shout out to Lisa, Manny, and the team organizing this, no? Si Tony, kudos to you, no? And praying for everyone to have really a wonderful time. Looking forward seeing you in the next. Bye-bye, batch.